Hi, welcome to Fossil Hunting and Collecting with Chris, where I normally do videos about fossil hunting, but we're in Florida, we're near Disney property, and we went to Disney Springs to take a look at their T-Rex Cafe. How could we miss that? So let's take a look inside and see what it looks like. Here's a little relative of the dinosaurs. So here's the menu. They have appetizers with names like Souposaurus Sampler and soups and salads, like a Caesarosaurus salad and something called a Carnivore's Delight. There's also seafood, including the crustaceous trio. I'm guessing at least one of those is crabs. We have carnivore entrees, a meteor meatloaf and other things, burgers and sandwiches, and sides as well, and even desserts. So looks like they have a full menu. I consider this a little bit on the pricey side, but hey, it's what you get with the food. So this is what they choose as a fossil hunting vehicle. I prefer minivans because you don't have to put your stuff on the roof. And here's the gift shop. burger. It's not the Bronto. Oh, there it is. Burger's under there. It's not the the Bronto burger, but a bacon cheeseburger with barbecue sauce on it. The fries are extra, but they give you potato chips. And would you like to be in it too? Now, can I put your food in it? Alright, I won't put you in it, but just tell me what kind of food you got.
So this is Mediterranean skewers. There's beef and chicken, rice pilaf, broccolini, tzatziki sauce, and a cucumber, tomato, and feta salad.
Ah, very nice, very nice. Looks good. And here's their bathroom doors. Ice cave with a dead T-Rex. It certainly has atmosphere. this was our trip to the T-Rex Cafe. I think we all enjoyed it a lot. The atmosphere was awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different from what we normally do. Normally we're out hunting for fossils, prepping for fossils, showing off our finds. This time we saw a dinosaur themed restaurant and just thought it would be fun to eat there and see what it's like. If you like fossil hunting videos, well, I'm putting my email down here to send pictures of your favorite fossils, whether you found them yourself or a favorite purchase. I'll put them in the next upcoming video. Also, if you like what you see, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. That makes fossil-related videos pop up more in YouTube's feed. You don't want this to be the last fossil video that they put up there for you. Thank you so much. Happy fossil hunting and collecting.
Fossil hunting and collecting with Chris. Digging fossils, finding fossils. Paleontology, trying to find science and evolution. Devoted on the legendary, I'm digging those fossils.